Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact support at PCEX.com on your phone. For that, first of all, we will have to simply open your web browser, and here in the search bar, simply search for PCEX Exchange. Then click on the first link PCEX.com and click on login/register in the top right hand corner, and simply provide your login credentials like your email address and your password in order to log in into your PCEX account. Now, in order to contact support, you will have to scroll down in the bottom, and here you will see their support email, which is support@pcex.com. So you can directly mail them on this email address, and this way you can contact them. Or you can simply click on this help center option in the bottom, and here you will see a bunch of different articles that you can use in order to resolve your problem. So this is how you can basically contact to the support at PCEX.com. They have given you the email address which you can use. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to this channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.